There are so many different ways that people are creating their business models around. They're starting off with a YouTube channel, they're starting off with affiliate marketing, and they're even starting off with something called print on demand. And one way that people are getting into print on demand is creating a design and selling it on t-shirts, phone cases, hats, any product that someone is willing to sell for you without having to have your own inventory. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize your print on demand as a second income while still having your business model surrounded by YouTube. And if you want to make sure that you stay up to date on the newest ways people are making money online, how they're revolving their business models just around YouTube, or just a couple of the business tools that they're using to automate their business online, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button, and make sure you turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on our next video. Hi, how's it going? If you don't know yet, my name is John, and I'm an entrepreneur who helps out other entrepreneurs by just teaching them what I learned through my own experiences. So print on demand is another great way that you can add as a secondary income to your primary business model, but it's also not for everyone. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a secondary income while still having your primary and business model focused around YouTube. So if you're new to the channel, go hit that like button for me. If you want some more information on how I started my business model, how I got my multiple income streams going, go check out my free guide. There's a link in the description down below. So what is print on demand? Well, in a nutshell, it basically means that you can sell a product that you created and you designed without having to have any of the inventory, without having to have any of the equipment needed, and without having to hold on to the inventory in storage. And one of the great things about doing print on demand means that you don't have to worry about sending people to go create that product. All you have to do is sit down and focus on creating videos, creating designs, creating content to give out to people so they want to purchase your merch. And this is really why print on demand is usually used by people who are really good with social media as an influencer, who can create YouTube videos for free, and who can also build relationships and run marketing ads on Facebook. Now, how we always do in this series is we're talking about how you can make money online with YouTube. Now, if you haven't seen the previous videos before where I go into the overview of why you should start your business with YouTube, and once you get back from that video and learn how to do all that, now you can focus on creating multiple different income sources from your YouTube business model. And the great thing is about this video series is that YouTube is a great opportunity for you to create multiple income streams, not just from getting ad revenue, but also from affiliate marketing and what we're going to talk about today, print on demand. The reason why YouTube is such a great tool to utilize for marketing your print on demand products is because it is its own optimized search engine. Marketers use these features on YouTube to monetize their videos and also to monetize their products. Basically, they earn the ad revenue from when people go and watch the videos and they see the video, the ad pop up from that marketing company, but also when somebody clicks on a link to go to a certain website. And this website could be your own print on demand website that you have set up. And in addition to that, videos can be really easy to make because you don't have to search around for different pictures and videos or running through editing your text like you would with a blog, but because they also help you reach your target audience better. For example, like let's take you want to sell jewelry as your print on demand product through Etsy or on Amazon. All you need to do is create some quality content to upload to YouTube, the different styles of how you can wear this product, which will increase your views and potential sales. And the real nice thing is YouTube doesn't require any fancy and advanced automated software that you need to create and upload content. Seriously, if I can do it, anybody can do it, and that means you can do this. And then once you have all your video content created, all you do is upload onto YouTube and make sure you have the right SEO titles and descriptions and tags for your video. This will give it to YouTube so YouTube can understand and read in their algorithm who this content needs to be pushed out to. So let's go back to the previous example from before. If you ended up making jewelry for necklaces or earrings and they ended up being gold plated or rose gold plated jewelry, somewhere in your title you need to have that keyword so that YouTube will push it out to people. So for example, all you need to put in your title is something like rose gold jewelry or how to wear this necklace in this certain style. Now this can work out for anyone, not anyone who's just trying to sell products that they make and want to sell on Etsy. If you're a gaming channel, you can go out there, create your content on new and early released video games and have your own brand out there. Check out MrBeast, check out Raptor. They all have their own brand merchandise going out to people. Now there's another thing you can do too. If you're in the online business model where you're trying to teach people how to make money online or how to start up their business, you can create business merch that way as well. You can come up with, there's this one guy out there that has the brand Hustle in the background of every single video, and he has mugs, he has t-shirts, he has billboards that you can buy as canvas art and put in your office to remind you to hustle every day, to shred, to make sure that you get it and achieve your goals. And the thing is, you can buy that as a secondary income resource that he'll get. But when it comes down to it, how I was talking about before in our overview video, it doesn't just come down to YouTube. It doesn't just come down to your ad marketing. It doesn't just come down to promoting your secondary income streams. Promoting your videos on social media is an absolutely amazing opportunity that if you aren't or don't understand how to do, you need to start and learn it. It is something that is definitely going to push more viewers to your product and create way more potential sales. See, promoting your online content, your online videos that you upload to YouTube is just as important, if not more important. You see, promoting your video content, the content you created to upload to YouTube, featuring your products, featuring how to wear this certain style or what earrings go great or what new early access games are coming out is just as important as creating the video itself. Because if you aren't out there promoting your product, then it's going to get to less and less people. You are hoping that the YouTube algorithm is just going to push your videos out based on it being a suggested content. That is a bad marketing strategy and an overall terrible strategy to go forward with your online business. And this is why when you create and upload your video content, you make sure that you have your own copy that you can cut certain parts out of, so you don't have to go re-record all of the video content that you just wanted to smush all the important, rich content together to go put on TikTok or Instagram Reels or Pinterest. You need to get out there and make sure that you promote your product by creating a schedule of posting multiple times during the week. Do not sleep on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Instagram. And if you do happen to run a Facebook ad, don't forget to use YouTube as one of the platforms, because your video ads will play right before your video does, or wherever you have it set up so that your ad can reach your target audience and you not only earn ad revenue, but also earn any other revenue associated with them buying that product. This is why YouTube is one of the most valuable marketing platforms that you can ever utilize, and why you should still always maintain that focus of your business model being around YouTube. Now, if you haven't really heard of print on demand before, or you haven't looked into it too much and you're wondering yourself, why should I listen to this kid, this guy on the other side of the screen, when I just saw him for the first time? I'm just learning from him for the first time. Why should I listen to him and start using print on demand as a secondary source of income? Well, I have 3 great reasons for you, and I hope you can follow me and stick to the point when I get to them. The first reason that you should start print on demand as a secondary source of income is exactly that. It is a secondary source. It's an additional source of income that can help boost your profits and maintain your online business. Once all the initial design work had been completed and you've uploaded your product on Amazon, you have your links set up, you have everything ready to roll out. What else do you have to do after that besides marketing and creating content? You don't have to design it again. Whenever people go and click on your content, when you're showcasing your jewelry, your necklace, your video merch, people are going to see that. After you do the initial design, it becomes passive income when anyone purchases that product. And the last reason, but certainly not the least reason you should use print on demand as a secondary source of your income, is because you don't have to hold the physical inventory or purchase or rent out print on demand equipment. There are companies out there, Amazon, Zazzle, Etsy, Teespring, that have this as their business model, that they'll let you create and design products to sell, and in return, you get a portion of whatever that sale is. So don't sleep on creating new or different side hustles, new or different sources of income, especially when it comes to print on demand. Still focus your business model around creating content and uploading content to YouTube, because that's where you're going to get your main ad revenue from. But add in there those second, those third, those fourth different types of secondary incomes that can help boost your profit, make you realize your goals, and find out and maintain and achieve, finally achieve the reasons why you started your online business in the first place. Join me in my next video where we go over another income source, another way that you can add to being a second or third potential way to earn the online income while still revolving your business model around YouTube. I invite you to come join us, as I would love to share this information and have this information given to you. Remember, the goal of having your online business is not to achieve money, not to have the greatest bag of money in the entire world. It's so that you can live your dream life. You're not chasing the money. You're chasing the dream. You're chasing the reasons. You're chasing the opportunity to live your life on your own terms.